This is a full elevator tour at the Church Street building, also known as the University Centre in Barnsley. Just been refurbished to the first elevator, which is just through this corridor here. Hold on. Sarah's just spotted something that she wanted to have a look at, but yeah, let's right. Now we get back to it, to the first elevator of the day, which is this one just here. Let's go up first. Here it is. Epic front there. Yeah, this one has got digital advance. We're going up to 3. On my laptop there. VCO white lift services. Capacity 10 persons, 800 kilos. Replaced in 2025.
Floor 3.
Here at 3. There we go. That epic plunge there. That's what I was wanting.
Which one, Alex?
And yeah, we'll go all the way round.
Like capacity 10.
Yeah. I'll see you in a bit. To the other one. Now we'll go down to 0 this time. And I'll tell you want to talk down there. We see another white lift services, capacity 10 persons, 800 kilos, also replaced in 2025. And it's actually maintained by white lift services themselves. You're at 0. There it does that crunch again. You're at 0. And that's it.